Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Instagram customer support. If you're using Instagram and you want to contact with Instagram customer support, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Now tap on the horizontal lines in the top right. And from here you just have to scroll down and look for the help option. Here's the help option, just select that. And here you just have to select report a problem. And here just select report problem without shaking. Now on this page you must have to select include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain your issue, what's happening with you or wrong with you. And once you have done, you can also try to upload a picture from your gallery related to your issue, or you can also select screenshot option to take a screenshot. So here go back. Let's say I'm gonna have an issue in my in this section, the real section, so I'm going to take a screenshot here. So once you have taken a screenshot, just go to your profile option, tap on the horizontal lines here again, and here just scroll down, look for the help option again, select about the problem, select report the problem without shaking, tap on include and continue, and here upload your screenshot and describe your issue, and after that Instagram will contact with you after reviewing your issue. So in this way you can easily contact with Instagram customer support. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.